how to convert SPayLater to GCash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to convert your SPayLater into your GCash account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your GCash account, or if you're using the application in your smartphone, just open the app, and if you don't have the app, you can download the application in your mobile device using your Google Play or your Apple Store. And once you have the application in your smartphone, just simply navigate to the three-dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen, and from there just go to the services section from the list given below, and it will open up the customer and the business page for the GCash account that you are using. And after that, in order to convert your SPayLater to your GCash, just simply click on the three-dot menu icon over there again, and after that just simply click on services, and over here you will have different options which says send, pay, borrow, grow, enjoy and more. So in order to convert your SPayLater to your GCash, you need to enter the SPayLater card details into your GCash account so that the convert process become easier for you. So just simply select any of the method given right here. I'm just selecting bank account or bank transfer. You can select your card or any other payment method that you are using in your SPayLater. And after that, just simply enter your SPayLater card details into your GCash account and connect both the account together. And once it is done, you will be able to convert your SPayLater to GCash quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to convert your SPayLater to your GCash account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.